In Excel tip 45, I was talking about dominant, so the most frequent number. Today we want to find the most frequent texts, and it's harder task in Excel because MODE function needs numbers, so we have to convert text to numbers, and we can use match function for this, and we are looking all our text in all our text, and the most important is to remember about that we want exact match. So when we are using exact match, Excel starting from the top, it means that each puppy will point at the first puppy, so in our example at position number 1, and going with other example, so each kitten will point at first kitten, so in our example it's position number 2. And now when we have numbers connect to text, we can just add MODE.MULT function to return the most frequent numbers position of text. And when we have those numbers, those position, we simply add index function to return text connect with those positions. So just add last parenthesis, and just like that in DA Excel, dynamic array Excel, we have our solution. In classic legacy Excel, we should select more cells and use Ctrl+Shift+Enter command to put our results in all cells. But we are in DA Excel, so we have simple solution, and at the end I will want to just add that when the text occurs just once, so each text occurs just once, the MODE function will return an error. But when each text occurs the same number of times, so now dog and cat appears 4 times, MODE function will return those results